93 VFR 750F. What I'm gonna do is I took off the stupid rubber floppy blinkers on this, which is required for the US, and I purchased these. I got one in the USA. I got one from Mile High Motorsports over there at 705 Miller Valley Road. They've got a lot of VFR stuff over there. I got that, and I got some new front brake calipers. I'm rebuilding the brake system on this, and I seen that they had one like this, so I only had one. And then what I did was I went on eBay UK, that's in obviously in England, and they shipped it out to me, and actually was a little bit cheaper. And it shows that it comes out of Tifton, Georgia, but it's actually coming from London. And eBay helped me out with the shipping, and I got it for less than 20 bucks for this light assembly, which I'm gonna be installing on this VFR. All you have to do is remove one screw on the bottom here, underneath here, and this assembly comes out. And then the European type of connector is like that, but the USA connector is shucks. I guess it's the same. It's inside there, but you'll get an extra set of connectors. It mounts right up. Put it right in, bolt it up. Aloha, happy travels. And it is a Stanley right there. I don't know if you can see it, and it is SAE approved. I don't know if you see it, DOT right there. So they can't say anything. I've been passing inspections with the red lights, but it's gonna look a hell of a lot better with these yellow ones, amber ones, should I say. Aloha, malama pono. Not only that, but that is the way you replace the light bulb. Well, if you have the original stupid floppy turn signals, my advice would be to do as I did. Take off your floppy turn signals and unscrew this, and just it plugs right in. The original unit plugs right into these receptacles, believe it or not. They plug right into this. There's actually these receptacles on the bike right now that you probably don't even know, and I did not know until I says, hey, you know what I mean? It's kind of strange that they would put that there, and I looked and it had the reflectors, so I tried it, and I've been using this for years. But what I did now is I'm gonna go Euro, man. I'm gonna go all out, and this thing is gonna shine. Looks way cleaner. It doesn't bobble when you hit bumps. Aloha. Isn't that a better light than that stock floppy blinking stupid light that comes factory that the US requires? This is the left side. It bolts right in. This is the one I got from the US, and it's not as nice as the one I got from the UK. But it's alright, it works. Just to give you an idea what it looks like.